This week, we're going to take a break from our regular assignments and try something different. So, I have created a BrainPop account for this class, and Mr. Finisgard will help you if you have any issues logging in or getting started. But basically, you're going to follow the instructions in the very first assignment this week, and you're going to visit the link for BrainPop, and then you're going to type in the code. So, our class has a code, and it's the same code for everyone in the class. So you put the code in, Rover 4945, and hit submit. After you hit submit, it's going to bring you to a page where you can put in your own information and create an account for yourself. Please do that and make sure you write down your username and password so that way you can log in. We might be using this more than once throughout this quarter. So once you're logged in, and this is just a test account, so I'm showing you what it looks like from a student view. Once you log in, you'll see two assignments on your dashboard. You're going to want to do Essential Math Part 3, Week 3. So that's where you're going to get started. You're going to click there, and that will bring you into all of the tasks that you need to do for this assignment. So you'll go through the assignment, get all of the assignments done, including vocabulary. So if you need to use pen and paper to write down vocabulary words when you're watching the movies, please do so. And then once you finish all of that, you can go back to your assignment dashboard and you can try the challenge assignment, which is multi-digit multiplication. And this really is just going to give us a good idea of where you are with your multiplication before we move on to division. So we're taking a little break from what we usually do. We're not going to have a math antics video this week, but you definitely can go back and review other videos if you need a refresher for multi-digit multiplication. But for this week, you are going to only work in BrainPop. So we'll see how that goes. Again, if you have any issues logging in, contact Mr. Finisgard right away. And good luck this week.